Good afternoon, Mayfield. It's a special day. It's the last homework of the year. Very proud of you. Next week is MCAP, and I did say after MCAP, we would not have any homework for the rest of the year. We are still working, we are still learning, we are still having graded assignments, but after today, no homework. This was our last MCAP practice, and Brian and I went to the shoebox, and we saw a trend. And Brian, what seems to be the trend?
4 and 5.
Yes, and we're only going to do one. We are going to do problem 4, especially because my Math 6 people, we're actually going to have a graded assignment tomorrow that looks a lot like number 4. So this is going to help you twice. An art teacher has a jar containing 3/4 pounds of glitter for use by the students in a class. The glitter is being separated into portions that are each 1/10 of a pound. And so, Brian, we saw that word separated, and right away, what did you say this problem must be about?
Division.
All right, so write down that division problem for me. Yeah, we're taking the 3/4 and we're going to divide it into sections of 1/10. The teacher says, okay, what's the greatest number of portions that can be made? This student incorrectly, we're telling you right away, they're wrong. They obtain the answer by saying 4/3 times 10/1 equals 40/3, which is 13 1/3. So obviously 13 portions. I'm telling you, what's the mistake? And then, what's the correct answer? So, Brian, take it away. What was this student's mistake?
He multiplied.
And we can multiply by the reciprocal, but what was this student's mistake specifically?
He made them both reciprocals, but you only make the second one a reciprocal, so it should look like
right. So if you like the reciprocal strategy, you multiply by the reciprocal of the second number. And then, just for fun, Brian, because you know how much I love dividing by a common denominator, next to this problem, could you go ahead and show what it would look like if we got that common denominator? We said the common denominator would be, looking up here,
4, 10,
common denominator would be
40.
40, so yeah. And then we would write equivalent fractions. So 3/4 becomes what over 40?
30/40?
30/40. And then 1/10 becomes 4/40. And then when we divide, the 40 divided by 40 gets canceled out. And what are we left with?
30 divided by 4.
Same answer. Okay, so now we're almost done. So Brian, how are we going to find out how many full portions?
We're going to divide 30 by 4.
We're going to divide 30 divided by 4. A fraction is also a division problem. And 4 goes into 30 how many times?
7.
Good. We get 28. We get a remainder, but you know what? We don't even need to worry about that today, because the question is just how many full portions. Brian, how many full portions?
7.
7 full portions. Oh my gosh, thank you everybody for watching these videos. I hope they help. Okay, Brian, fun fact about you.
I like animals.
I love that. And something this year that we've learned that you have enjoyed.
Dividing and multiplying decimals.
Oh, love it. Okay. Thank you, Mayfield. See you later. Bye.